Hi, Kathy here from kathyskutekreations. Today I'm going to be showing you what I received in Stephanie's box. I went ahead and I got the seasonal box, and it is called Harvest Stars. So let me open it up here. Here's the little package. Let's see. We have a little orange bag. Let's see what kind of goodies we got in there. So we have some Microtech sharp needles. What does it look like? They're size 12. Looks like a pumpkin gummy candy some sort. And then we have some thread, and it is a cream color. I can't even make it out. It's got the writings off of it. But there it is. It's a cream, not white, but a cream. Okay. Here is the pattern. Let me take it out of the bag because it's folded in half. There we go. It's called Harvest Stars. It has the cutting instructions. Oh, that was nice, wasn't it? There's the cutting instructions. And then sewing the blocks together. That's the next page. Shows you how to do it. The page is still a bit bent there. There we go. And then the last one, I should say the next one, not the last one, is the final assembly. Oops. And this one is your fabric requirements. And of course, she's already given us the fabric. And it's pattern number 120. And let's take a look at the pattern. Let's take a look at the fabrics. So here's a aqua. And they have pumpkins on them. And this is a dark blue, and it also has the same kind of pumpkins on it. And then we have a dark blue that has words on it. Here's the aqua with some words on it. And then here's larger pumpkins. And this is a cream color, off-white. And then that same blue with those pumpkins. Whoops. Like those are all upside down. There you go. And then that same cream again. That's another. And here's a little pretty orange. Looks like wood. And then there's a green, same thing. Looks like the wood. And then we have a blue, dark blue, that looks like that wood. And I believe here comes some binding, which is that dark blue. And then the background, which is a cream color. Boy, the lighting today is really, really good because it showed exactly what those colors look like. I'll lay it out here on the table so everybody can have a look at it. Here it is, all laid out on the table. There's all the different kinds of fabric. These are some pretty fabrics that Stephanie picked out this time. These are really, really nice. There's the pattern. Always use some good needles. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't yet. You can make a comment about her fabric if you like it, or anything else for that matter. And I'll see y'all next time. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.